So guys, on my way to the farm, I don't know, they left me. I don't know where they are now. Mommy! So I'm on my way to the farm. So I don't know, they left me. Oh, and I don't even know the road. Can imagine. So this is the farm. Still on my way. Still on my way to the farm. This is not our farm. This is somebody else's home. So I'm still going to our farm. Still at the front. We're almost there. Almost there. I just want to take some corn. Corn. And see corn. This corn, they are agric corn. That's why you see them. They are very short, but they have this thing, corn inside. They have corn stem inside. What is it called? Is this stem or stalk inside? So you can see. Got the corn. Got the cassava. They are still small. Got the corn.